What's the meaning of championships? Championships. Championships.
Championships. Championships. Championships refers to a competition or series of competitions that determine the best among a group of participants in a particular field or sport. The winner is often awarded a title or trophy that recognizes their achievement. Championships are highly competitive, and athletes or teams often have to go through multiple rounds of matches or games before reaching the final. The final game or match is typically the most intense, as there can only be one winner. Overall, championships are a way to recognize the best of the best and provide a platform for elite athletes or teams to showcase their skills and talent.